Welcome to Shiko, Beyond the Dot, where we challenge expectations, break barriers, and explore how women and the world are redefining leadership, careers, and equality. I'm your host, Shreya. Today, we are diving into a topic that's pivotal for career advancement: negotiation. Whether it's for a raise, a promotion, or a new opportunity, negotiation is a skill every woman must master. You might have heard that women don't negotiate as much as men, and that this contributes to the gender pay gap. But is it still true? Historically, it was believed that women negotiated less than men. However, recent research challenges this notion. A study from the University of California, Berkeley, found that 54% of women reported negotiating their job offers compared to 44% of men. This suggests that women are now negotiating as much, if not more, than men. Despite this, a significant pay gap persists. The same study revealed that women earn 22% less than men overall. This indicates that while women are negotiating, the outcomes may not be as favorable. This disparity underscores the importance of not just negotiating, but doing so effectively and strategically. Now, how do you prepare yourself for a successful negotiation? Step 1: arm yourself with data. Before entering a negotiation, gather information on industry standards for your role. Utilize resources like LinkedIn Salary Insights and industry reports to understand the compensation landscape. This data will empower you to make informed requests and demonstrate that your expectations are aligned with market rates. Step 2: timing is key. Initiate negotiations when you have recently achieved significant accomplishments or when the company is experiencing growth. Being attuned to organizational dynamics can provide leverage in your discussions. Step 3: build a compelling case. Focus on your contributions and the value that you bring to the organization. Highlight specific achievements and quantify your impact where possible. For example, in the past year, I have led projects that increased revenue by 15% and improved client satisfaction scores by 20%. This would help you to navigate the negotiation process using language that is assertive yet collaborative. Instead of saying, I was hoping for a raise, state, based on my performance and market benchmarks, I believe a salary adjustment is appropriate. This approach conveys confidence and positions your request within a business context. It's also really important to understand your audience. Tailor your negotiation strategy to the preference of your manager. Some may respond well to data driven arguments, while others may value relational approaches. For instance, if your manager values teamwork, emphasize on how you contribute to support the team's success and be prepared for multiple conversations. It's important to recognize that negotiations may require ongoing dialogue. It's not a one time push. If immediate agreement isn't reached, seek to understand the reasons and establish a plan for future discussions. Ask questions like, can we outline specific goals that would position me for a salary increase in the next revenue cycle? Now that you're preparing for a successful negotiation, it's also important to understand that there would always be hurdles along the way. Now, how do you address these challenges? If you encounter responses such as, the budget is tight, consider negotiating for non monetary benefits like professional development opportunities or flexible work arrangements. If told you're already at the top of your pay range, inquire about the criteria for advancing to the next level or exploring alternative compensation structures. By remaining flexible and solution oriented, you demonstrate your commitment to mutual success. Negotiation is beyond salary. It's important to recognize that negotiating for growth is equally important. Advocate for opportunities that enhance your professional development, such as leadership roles, mentorship, or involvement in high visibility projects. Proactively seeking these opportunities can position you for future advancement and increased compensation. If after earnest efforts, your organization is unwilling to recognize your contributions appropriately, it may be time to explore opportunities elsewhere. Remember, your skills and expertise are valuable, and there are organizations that will appreciate and reward your contributions. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on your career goals and consider where negotiation can play a role in achieving them. Start by identifying one area where you can initiate a negotiation, whether it's for a raise, a new project, or professional developmental resources. Effective negotiation is about aligning your value with organizational objectives and advocating for yourself with confidence. Thank you for joining today's episode of Shiko. If you found this discussion valuable, please share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to empower your career journey. Until next time, keep advocating for your worth and embracing opportunities for growth.